It's been a wild day on Wall Street. We were talking about that. The markets bounced up and down following the news of a 0.5% rate cut from the Feds. And the watchdog on Wall Street, Chris Markowski, joins us now live. Chris, roller coaster is not the word for it. As we were mentioning, I was watching today, and while Paulson was speaking, the Dow was going up maybe about 100 points, 120. And then I thought it was the last hour, it went down a couple of hundred points, but you said it was less than that, or
it seemed like the last 10, 15 minutes. Who needs to go to Busch Gardens? You don't need a Busch Gardens. You just need to watch a little CNBC and watch the markets.
Wow, I'm glad you can laugh about it. You have to, though, I guess.
Yeah, you have to, because you have no control over it. You know, it's pretty much like the same rule for life. Yeah. You know, you only have to worry about things you have control over. I don't have any control over what the markets are going to do over the short term. Nor does anybody. Yeah. You're going to have every journalist out there, every financial reporter out there try to explain to you what happened today. But the reality is, the only thing that makes a stock go up is more buying than selling. The only thing that makes it go down is more selling than buying. Those are just the rules. It is a willy-nilly market right now. Traders are dictating lots of things. You've got a lot of hedge fund redemptions right now. For investors, if you can stomach it, you really need to keep your cool. Yeah. Take a couple steps back. If you've got a good financial plan done, don't even pay attention to those statements right now. Wait a little while.
Yeah, we talked about that earlier. I just wondered, for some of us, like maybe me, who are a little older, or folks who are even closer to retirement, or who are retired, who maybe cannot afford to ride it out, is there anything they should be doing to help protect their 401k?
Well, if you need to have access to your capital, if you need to be selling assets off because you need to live off those assets, hopefully you've got a financial plan that is set up accordingly, so you don't have to, in situations like this, you may get hit a little bit. What your goal is, as far as the financial plan is concerned, is you want to build up enough assets so you can live off them. You want positive cash flow from those assets, yields, dividends, whether it be bond yields, whether it be dividends, whatever it may be. That's your goal. Yeah, but if you are later on and you're going to have access to those assets, you may have to sell some.
Two quick questions here. Are money markets or bonds a little safer right now? Is that a good option for people?
Well, certain bonds are. I mean, you can see, if a company goes bankrupt, the bondholders are the first ones that get paid out. However, you're watching those fluctuate to a great degree as well. Most people don't buy bonds to go about trading them, so holding on to them is okay. Money markets, they've been backstopped by the federal government, so they're fine.
Okay, got a question here from one of our viewers who wrote in. Tampa Joe says, is now a good time to claim Chapter 13? I'm not sure if you can even answer that.
It's kind of like the rule with the financial plan. I don't know you. I don't know what your situation is. I can't ask that question. If you'd like, you can email me. I can help you out with that.
Okay. Well, thank you, Chris. Good seeing you.
As well.
Hopefully we get some better news to talk about. We're going to have to ride this thing out.